Welcome to our video on the inner workings of an aeroplane. Today we will be taking a detailed look at how these incredible machines are able to soar through the skies. From the Wright brothers' first successful flight in 1903, to the invention of the jet engine in the 1940s and the rapid advancements in technology that followed, the history of aviation is a story of human ingenuity and perseverance. Now, let's dive into the inner workings of an aeroplane and understand how it is able to fly. 1. Wings. The wings are the most essential component of an aeroplane, providing lift, which is the force that holds the plane in the air. The shape of the wing is known as an airfoil, which is designed to create a difference in air pressure between the top and bottom of the wing, generating lift. The wings of a typical commercial airplane have an aspect ratio of around 7:1, meaning that for every 7 units of wing length, there is 1 unit of wing width. 2. Engines. The engines provide the power necessary to move the aeroplane through the air. There are 2 main types of engines, turboprop and jet. Turboprop engines use a turbine to drive a propeller, while jet engines use a turbine to compress air and mix it with fuel, creating a hot exhaust that propels the plane forward. A typical commercial jet engine can produce up to 100,000 pounds of thrust. 3. Propellers or jet nozzle. Propellers are used on smaller aircraft, while jet nozzle are used on larger aircraft to provide thrust. The propellers are driven by the engine, and they rotate to generate thrust by pushing air backward. Jet nozzle works by compressing the air with a fan and then igniting the fuel to create a high-speed jet of exhaust gases, which propels the aircraft forward. 4. Flaps and slats. These are used to adjust the shape of the wings and increase lift during takeoff and landing. Flaps are located on the trailing edge of the wing and slats are located on the leading edge. When flaps are extended, they increase the camber, or curvature, of the wing, which increases lift. Slats also increase the camber of the wing but also move forward to protect the leading edge of the wing during takeoff and landing. 5. Rudder and elevator. These are the primary control surfaces used to steer the plane in the air. The rudder is located on the tail of the plane and is used to control the yaw, or left and right movement of the plane. The elevator is located on the tailplane and is used to control the pitch, or up and down movement of the plane. 6. Ailerons. These are located on the outboard edge of the wings and are used to control the roll, or the rotation of the plane around its longitudinal axis. When the pilot moves the control column to the left or right, the ailerons on the corresponding wing will move up or down, causing the plane to roll. 7. Landing gear. This includes the wheels and brakes that allow the plane to take off, land and taxi on the ground. A typical commercial airplane has a tricycle landing gear, which includes 2 main wheels under the wings and a nose wheel at the front of the plane. 8. Fuel system. This is responsible for storing and delivering fuel to the engines. The fuel system includes tanks, pumps and filters, which work together to move fuel from the tanks to the engines. The typical commercial airplane carries around 40,000 to 50,000 gallons of fuel, which allows it to fly for several hours depending on the flight plan. 9. Electrical system. This provides power for all the electronic systems on board the plane. The electrical system includes generators, batteries, and inverters, which work together to provide power to the various systems such as lighting, avionics, and in-flight entertainment. 10. Flight control system. This is the brain of the plane, which receives input from the pilot and automatically makes adjustments to the various systems to maintain a stable flight. The flight control system includes computers, sensors, and actuators, which work together to control the flight surfaces, engines, and other systems. This allows the pilot to focus on flying the plane, while the flight control system takes care of the detailed adjustments needed to maintain a stable flight. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the complex engineering and technology that goes into making an aeroplane fly. From the wings that provide lift, to the engines that provide power, each component plays a crucial role in the overall function of the aeroplane. The future of aviation looks even more exciting, with new technologies like electric and hybrid engines, as well as the possibility of supersonic travel. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching.